Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 3-in-1 combo gauge featuring boost, EGT, and temperature. It's available in a black face with a clear lens and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 60mm gauge with a color change button on the front, an analog 60 psi boost reading, and a digital EGT reading and a digital temperature reading. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 3-foot exhaust temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with bullet style connectors, a 3-foot power harness, a 60 psi boost sensor with a red indicator band, a temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, a mounting bracket and hardware, double-sided tape for the mounting pod, a gauge mounting pod, and a gauge visor for sun glare. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.